I understand that deep, frustrating feeling when you're doing everything right for your health and weight, yet the scales refuse to budge. But what if I told you that the convenient, healthy shake you're relying on could be flooding your system with ingredients that actively encourage your body to store fat? At the cellular level, the story becomes clear. Many off-the-shelf shakes contain specific artificial sweeteners and emulsifiers that can provoke a low-grade inflammatory response in the gut. As research from leading institutions like Harvard Medical School highlights, chronic inflammation is a key driver of metabolic dysfunction, signaling to your cells to become resistant to insulin and making fat loss significantly more difficult. This cellular stress creates hormonal chaos. The spike from hidden sugars or the inflammatory response can elevate cortisol, our primary stress hormone. Chronically high cortisol instructs the body to store visceral fat, particularly around the abdomen. It creates a vicious cycle. You feel stressed and tired, so you reach for a quick fix, which in turn elevates the very hormone that's cementing that stubborn weight in place. The term high protein has become a health halo, but the quality and source are what truly matter. A protein powder derived from a low-quality source or filled with additives is fundamentally different from a clean, pure protein. For instance, some plant proteins can be difficult to digest if not properly sourced, while some dairy-based proteins can be inflammatory for sensitive individuals. The label doesn't tell the whole story. The ingredient list does. Now, let's build your definitive blueprint for success, moving from theory to precise, actionable steps. This is about taking back control. The first non-negotiable step is a rigorous ingredient audit. When you look at a label, you must become an expert at spotting three key offenders. Number 1, sucralose and aspartame. These artificial sweeteners can negatively alter the gut microbiome, the very foundation of your metabolic health. Number 2, carrageenan. This common thickener is known to be highly inflammatory for some individuals. And number 3, high oleic sunflower or canola oils. These processed fats can disrupt your omega-3 to omega-6 balance, fueling the inflammatory cycle we discussed. Avoiding these is the first critical victory. Your second action is to craft the perfect metabolic shake at home. The formula is simple but precise. Start with 25 grams of a clean protein. I recommend an unsweetened, third-party tested grass-fed whey isolate or a high-quality pea protein isolate. This provides the building blocks for lean muscle, which is your metabolic engine. Next, add 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk or ground flaxseed. This is your fiber source, essential for slowing digestion, stabilizing blood sugar, and feeding your beneficial gut bacteria. Finally, include 1 tablespoon of MCT oil or a quarter of an avocado. This healthy fat signals satiety to the brain and provides clean-burning energy, preventing the energy crashes that lead to cravings. Finally, we integrate this powerful tool into your life with strategic timing for maximum hormonal benefit. The most effective protocol for most women is what I call protein first. Consume your perfectly formulated shake within 60 minutes of waking up, before any other food or caffeinated beverage. Here is the science. A protein and fat-rich meal first thing in the morning provides a stable foundation for your blood sugar for the entire day. It blunts the cortisol spike that naturally occurs in the morning and powerfully suppresses ghrelin, the hunger hormone. This single action prevents the mid-morning energy slump and carbohydrate cravings that so often derail our best intentions. Contrast this with having a shake post-workout, which is beneficial for muscle repair but less impactful on all-day appetite control. Or worse, having it as a late-night snack, which can interfere with sleep quality and overnight fat-burning processes. By starting your day this way, you are not merely consuming a meal, you are setting a metabolic tone of satiety, stability, and control that will resonate through until your final meal. This is how you transform a simple shake from a convenient snack into a strategic instrument for lasting health and weight management.